Welcome to EmployeeConnect. In this video, you'll learn how easy it is to set up and continue integration with Xero Payroll. So first of all, you'll need to make sure that you've logged in with admin privileges. And once you have, you'll need to navigate to Advanced in the top menu, and then to Integration. Now before we go in and authorize the Xero integration, we first need to choose the data that we wish to import and export between EmployeeConnect and Xero. This is an applicable screen for all of our payroll integrations. So first of all, you can choose between the status, import, and export options. This allows you to choose what data you would like to push through to Xero Payroll and what data you'd like to bring from Xero Payroll. It's usually a good idea the first time that you connect to a payroll platform to potentially import only, in case there's anything in EmployeeConnect that you're not aware of that could push to payroll and impact payroll processing. Otherwise, if you'd like, if you go to the status page, you can select the option that says import or export all payroll fields. Do note that that option will be ticked by default the first time that you come to this screen. So again, you'll need to make your selection. Let's untick this one and let's choose to only import. You'll just need to tick all of the relevant fields that you'd like. And when you're happy with that, you'll just need to click Save. Make sure you do this first before you select the payroll system that you'd like to connect to. That's really important. Then we recommend that you go back to Advanced and to Integration again to refresh the page. And if you go back, you'll notice that your selection has been saved. Then you can click on the Select Payroll button. Next, you'll need to click on your payroll provider. So we're going to select Xero. You will then be taken to a Xero screen, which will ask you for your email address and password. Do note that the credentials that you'll need to use here need to be the administrator details for Xero, i.e. the highest level of credentials in Xero. If you use a lower level of credentials, for example, a generic payroll login, this will not work and will not authorize the connection of EmployeeConnect and Xero together. So please make sure you use the admin credentials. So you'll need to pop those in. And then click Login. Xero will ask you if it's okay to authorize access between the two systems, and so long as that's okay, just click on Allow Access. You'll then be taken back to EmployeeConnect, which will ask you one last time to click on the Sync Now button to initiate the sync. So you'll just need to click on the Sync Now button. The page will then show you the steps going through the synchronization. Do note that this process can take quite some time, especially the first time that you connect EmployeeConnect and Xero together. Please do not close this page while the two applications are talking to each other, as it is vital for the data transfer. You're more than welcome to minimize the page and do something else on your computer while you're waiting. The page will show you all of the pending items that need to be established, and as they go through, it will tick them off when they've completed successfully. You'll then be notified when the sync was completed successfully in green. And if you scroll to the bottom, you can see here that everything has synced successfully. And then you'll need to click on the EC Home icon. You will then be taken to the EmployeeConnect login page for security purposes, as the integration can sometimes take a while, so we ask that you log back into EmployeeConnect. So you'll just need to pop in your credentials to log into EmployeeConnect. And then all you will need to do is log into various parts of the system to see the data that has been pulled through. For example, if you go to HR People, you should see a list of employee files that have been pulled from the Xero integration. This is a really good example of the integration working. Again, though not the only place. And again, if you're payroll and you need to update data between your two systems, you would follow the exact same process, except toggling the export and import fields. So you'd go to Advanced and Integration, and then go to Import or Export, and tick and untick the fields that you'd like. Click Save, then select Payroll, and go through the exact same process again. This may need to be done before and after processing pay. And that's how easy it is to integrate and continue the integration between EmployeeConnect and Xero.